this is the user ID, Teamwork 365. I'm going to look into currently for SharePoint. So this is the file that has been shared to me 2 days back. So I will delete this image one. I've deleted this item from recycle bin also. I will delete it. And second stage recycle bin also I'm going to delete. So image one is nowhere to be found. Now let's start recovering it. So I'm in the admin center and we are in the settings Microsoft 365 backup. Here you can take the backup for SharePoint, OneDrive and Exchange. Now as we are looking into SharePoint, I have already set a policy to this user so we can directly go into restore option. As it is an individual account, I will click on this option, click next, add the site. As in the policy, this site is already added, so we are able to see it here. I'll click on this option, add, next. So I have deleted recently, so I'll put the date accordingly. And keep it as a prioritize. Backup will be taken faster. Click next. You can see one item has been found. I click on this option and click next. So here you will be able to restore the site in two options. It will create a new site and restore that or restore in the original site. So I'll click on restore to the original site and click next. So these are the details regarding the restoration. I'll start the restoration and click on done. And click on restoration to find the details. So you can see the restoration has been completed. The restoration for 1 to 15 days take 5 to 10 minutes. If the restoration is above 15 to 365 days, it will take 1 week or more. So let's take the user one SharePoint. I'll just refresh the page. Now you can see we have restored this file. So now let's move forward to OneDrive. So I'm in users OneDrive. This is Teamwork 365 account. So I'm going to delete this file, contacts to CSV. So I'll click on delete. From the recycle bin also I'll delete this file. From second stage recycle bin also I'll delete it. So this file is nowhere to be found now. You can see that. Now let's restore it. We are again in our admin portal in Microsoft 365 Backup. So as the policy is already applied to this user, I'll click on restore. As it is an individual account, I'll click on this option. Click next, add the account. As the account is already added in the policy, we can see it over here. Add, next. So I put the date, the recently when the file was deleted, and click on prioritize and click next. We can see one item has been found. I'll click on it and click next. So here also you will be able to see two options to restore the data. Create a new OneDrive account, and the second is restore in the original OneDrive account. I will click on this option, restore in the original account. I'll click next. These are the details. We'll start restoring. Click on done. I click on restoration for now to see the status. As the status is in process, we will wait for some time. So OneDrive restoration for day 1 to day 15 takes 5 to 10 minutes. If it is above 15 to 365 days, the restoration takes around 1 week or more. We'll refresh this page. Now we can see in the restoration that the process is still going on. You can see now the status is completed. We can go into users OneDrive. As just click on refresh button, and here you can see the file is restored, contacts to CSV. So now let's move forward to Exchange. So just today morning, I received this mail saying Microsoft 365 Backup Workshop. I'll just delete this mail. Go to my deleted items. I'll delete it from here also. From recovery retail item also, I'll delete this mail. So now this mail is nowhere to be found. We can start with the restoration for this process. So the user is already added into the policy. We can start with the restoration for this user too. So as it an individual account, I'll click on this option, click next, add the mail address. So here is the user mail address. I'll click add. Next, this mail was deleted currently. So I'll just click the time and date. I can add more filter. So I'll just click on sender and type the user who have sent me the mail. And click on find match. So we are able to see we have found one match. I'll click next. So here you will be able to see two options: replace mailbox item with backup or create new mailbox item for from backup. So I'll just click on this option. Here we will be able to see a new folder called recovery items with the year, time and month. So let's click next and start the restoration and click done. Click on restoration for now. So it is in process. So the restoration of exchange for 1 to 15 days can take 5 to 10 minutes. And it goes same for 15 to 365. It goes the timing for 5 to 10 minutes itself. So let's refresh it again. So now here you can see the restoration for this mailbox has been done. We can look into users mailbox. I'll refresh this page. So you can see a new folder has been created, restored items. I'll click on this. Now we can see the mail has been restored. Microsoft 365 Backup Workshop. So this is how Microsoft 365 Backup help us in all the three sections to restore the data. Thank you.